Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating the infinite potential of women. As women, we know our incredible strength, resilience, and potential that resides within us. Not just on International Women's Day, but every single day, we celebrate the boundless power of women everywhere because we are capable of anything. Our impact is felt in every corner of the society, from the fields to the boardrooms, from the classroom to the front lines, from the labs to the stars. Women are breaking barriers, leading change, and redefining what's possible. We are farmers working tirelessly with our hands in the soil, nurturing the earth that sustains us all. With every seed we plant and every crop we harvest, we breathe life into the future of our food, our communities, and our world. The land is both a responsibility and a privilege, and we protect it with a deep commitment, ensuring its legacy for generations to come. We are entrepreneurs, breaking barriers and building business that not only drive economies but inspire innovation and change. We take risks, challenges, norms, and lead with visions that transform industries, creating opportunities for others and leaving behind a legacy of empowerment. We are homemakers, the heartbeats of families, crafting homes where love, care, and warmth thrive. Whether raising children or supporting loved ones, we shape the future with every meal we cook, every lesson we teach, and every moment we give to others. We don't just build homes, we lay the foundations for tomorrow. We are doctors, saving lives and caring for the sick. We use our knowledge, compassion, and expertise to heal bodies and uplift spirits. Whether in hospitals, clinics, or research labs, we are at the forefront of medical breakthroughs, ensuring that health is within reach for all. We are artists, musicians, and creators, using our talents to bring beauty into the world. Through paint, through song, through every form of expression, we tell the stories of our hearts, sharing our voices with the world and touching lives in ways that words alone cannot. We are teachers, shaping minds and nurturing potential. We ignite the flame of knowledge, opening doors to new opportunities and inspiring the next generation to dream, to believe, and to achieve. We are the architects of progress and the champions of equality. We are leaders and politicians fighting for change, equality, and justice. We make decisions that shape the future, breaking down barriers and ensuring that the voices of all people are heard. As leaders, we inspire others to act, to dream, and to work for a better world, paving the way for future generations to lead with confidence. We are technologists and scientists, solving the world's greatest challenges with intellect and innovation. We push boundaries, pioneering advancements in technology, engineering, and space exploration. From the classroom to the lab to outer space, we are on the cutting edge, creating a future that we can all be proud of. We are in the Air Force, in the military, Navy, and police, standing as protectors, defenders, and leaders. With unwavering courage and strength, we safeguard the peace, defend justice, and ensure the safety of all. We break barriers in some of the most demanding and high stakes professions, proving that bravery and leadership has no gender. In every profession, we are a force to be reckoned with. Our capabilities are boundless, our impact is immeasurable. We are leaders, innovators, caregivers, protectors, and creators. We are the women who change the world every single day with every action, every choice, and every dream we pursue. So today, let us celebrate the infinite potential of women who came before us, who paved the way for us, and the women who continue to inspire us. Let us honor their achievements, their courage, and their unwavering belief that we can do anything. To every woman out there, we are powerful, we are unstoppable, we are capable of greatness in whatever we choose to do. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you.